How long does your finance team spend on bank reconciliation? 2 hours, 5 hours, more? 68% of SMEs are still doing this manually in Excel. Finance teams are losing more than 12 hours a month to a single task. And every month, somewhere, a finance professional on a day 3 of the close, the CFO is asking for a cash balance. Their books show one number, the bank shows another. There is a better way. What if it took few minutes, one prompt, 2 files, one audit-ready report with confidence scores, match transaction, every exception documented? Let me show you that. This is Claude Cowork running a full bank reconciliation end-to-end, folder connected, templates loaded, one prompt, and the engine takes over. Reads the bank statement, reads the ERP bank book, matches every transaction, scores every pair, flags every exception. The output lands on a 4-tab Excel report, match, unmatch, summary, all documented. The whole thing in under few minutes. Now watch this, same data, different AI entirely. Gemini CLI running in Antigravity IDE. Different platform, different model, completely different environment, same prompt, same 2 files, and the result identical. Because the AI is just a messenger, the engine is what does the work, and the engine runs anywhere. This is a free course, the full toolkit template engine demo data free to download. 2 complete live demonstration, GCC specific data formats, and everything you need to run your first automated bank reconciliation before you finish watching. AutoBankRec is built by FinDataPro, a finance education and tools platform used by over 8,600 professionals across 40 plus countries. Excel, Power BI, financial modeling, AI for finance, everything the modern finance professional needs in one place. Enroll free, watch the demos, download the kit, run your first automatic bank reconciliation. I'll see you inside.